So what does the MiniBrute 2 and the MiniBrute 2S actually sound like? Well, we're going to explore that in this video and hopefully in a part 2 as well. But I do need your help with it because sound demos aren't really a type of video that I'm that comfortable doing. Not because I can't, but because I don't really know what you want to see. So after watching this video, leave a little comment what types of sounds and what type of information you want about the sound quality and the sound capabilities of the MiniBrute 2 and the 2S, and I'll try and make a follow-up video on this as well. So guys, let's listen to the MiniBrute 2. And I did want to say that since I'm an owner of the MiniBrute, I do notice a little bit of a difference between the MiniBrute and the sound of the MiniBrute 2. I can't really explain it, sort of a clarity to the sound. I'm not sure if it's the redesigned kind of the headroom that the synth got. I read that there's a big difference between the MiniBrute 2 and the MicroBrute. Maybe there's a big technical difference between it and the Matrix as well. I'm not sure, but it does sound, all in all, sound a little bit different. It's not day and night, but I can definitely feel the difference when I'm working with it. So maybe it's just a kind of a placebo. Maybe it's has to do with the way you work it, or there's an actual physical difference. I have to look it up, and maybe if you know, you can leave a little comment down below. So thank you so much for checking out this little sound demo of the Arturia MiniBrute 2. If you have ideas for me how to do a follow-up sound demo, please leave them in the comments. And if you haven't checked out my reviews of this synth and the 2S and the comparison video, I'll leave links down below as well. So this was Bo from Bo Beats, and thank you so much for being here. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you want to, and you can always support the work I do here on YouTube over on patreon.com/BoBeats. So thank you so much and have a great day.